Welcome to Proping. Hope you are all good. Today I will show you the DHCP configuration on a router. So this is the network here. You can see I am using three routers here. One is the main router, other is the net1 router, and the third one is the net3 router. So this net3 router, net2 router is connected to 192.168.11.0 network, and you can see here there are 4 PCs in this network, and these 4 PCs will ask for the IP from this main server, and you can see these are remotely connected to this server. So we need to create here the static route, or we can use here default routing or dynamic routing. But today I will show you that these PCs which are in the network 2 and these 3 PCs which are in network 1 and who are using the network ID of 192.168.7.0, they will ask for the IP, or you can say DHCP configuration, from this main router, and the request will go through this net1 router to this router. So this router, at this router you can see here, this is the serially connected with this network 1 and also serially connected with this network 2. So you can see here these two networks are different and these two networks are different. So this router will only know about these two networks which are serially connected with them, but it will not know about these two networks. So with the help of static routing, I will add these two networks to this main router, and after adding this router and doing the DHCP configuration, our IPs, or you can say our DHCP configuration, will be sent to these routers. Okay, so let's start with this main router. Enable configure T, and you can write here host name, which is main. Now I will go to INTS 010, and I will use the IP address of 172.16.7.5 with the net mask of 30, which comes up from 252, and no shutdown command. Exit. Now for interface S001, and the IP address is 172.16.11.5 with the net mask of 30. No shutdown and exit. So now it's turn off net1 router. I will configure terminal, and the host name is net1, and the interface is S000. This is the interface, and the IP address is 172.16.7.6.255.255.255.252. For serial link, we will provide here clock rate, so no shutdown and exit. Now you can see the link is up, and also the protocol is up. You can also see this message, line protocol is on. Now we will configure this gigabit Ethernet interface. So interface is gigabit Ethernet 0x0, and the IP address of this interface is 192.168.7.1 with the mask of 24-bit. Now shut down and that's it. Now basic configuration is all set on main router, and there's network 1 router, and you can see this line and protocol is also up for this network. Now we will head on to this net 2 router. So go to online interface, enable, configure terminal, host name, which is net2, and here I will get the interface S000, this one interface, and you can see this is the network. So I will set here IP address, which is 172.16.11.6 with the net mask of 30. I will provide here clock rate, which is the default one. No shutdown and exit. You can see this line is also up. Now it's turn off gigabit Ethernet interface. So interface gigabit Ethernet 0x0, and I will supply your IP address 192.168.11.1 with the net mask of 24-bit. We shut down and exit. So this is also up now. Now basic configuration is all good. We had turned up the interfaces and also the protocols are up. Now it's turn to configure DHCP here. Okay, so we will go to this router. So it's good we are already in the configuration mode. Now first say IP DHCP exclude address, which is 192.168.7.1, and this IP is this network IP, this ID of this, which is the gateway. So I don't want that this should be given to any of these PC. So this is very mandatory to add this line, and same here for 11.1 network, this one, and we already had assigned this IP here. So if we do not type this command, conflict will definitely happen. Now we need to name the pool, and the command is ipdhcp pool and name is net1. Okay, now the network 192.168.7.0 and subnet mask of 24-bit and default router. Default router and the IP is 7.1. You can also add DNS server, and you can type in the IP here, any IP which you want to, and type your exit. Now for this, configuration is now set, and now we need to enter the configuration for this network. So I will name this pool ipdhcp pool, and name of this network is net2. Okay, so I will write here network, and network is of 11. Okay, now default router, which is the IP, the gateway IP, which is 11. Now the DNS server, Now exit and N and copy the running configuration to the startup configuration. Now DHCP configuration is done on this main router. Now we will set here a command so that when they request for the DHCP configuration from this net1 router, so this net1 router should always know from where it will get the DHCP configuration. So on this router, configuration mode is we are in configuration mode, so we need to go to interface, gigabit interface G0/0, and we will type here IP helper address of 192.168. Sorry, it's 172.16.network is of 7, and the IP of this interface S010 is 5. Okay, so we will exit from here, and same thing we need to do this on net2 router. We will go to interface, gigabit interface G0/0, and IP helper address is 172.172.16.11.5. Okay, and exit from here. Now DHCP is all good here. We had configured the DHCP configuration on this main router, and also we had configured the IP helper command on this gigabit Ethernet interface, and also on this network to gigabit Ethernet interface. Now we need to add the static routes on this main net1 and net2 router. So it's pretty simple. Go to configure terminal and right here IP route network. And IP is 192.168.7.0, and net mask is of 24-bit. And after this we need to enter the IP of this interface, which is 172.16.7.6. okay, and this is the AD. Something is wrong here. Wait for a while. Okay, so why I'm writing network here? It's IP route. Okay, so and for this interface 11.0 network is connected, and this will go out from this interface. So IP of this interface is 11. Sorry, it's here 11. Okay, so it's done. You can check this by do show IP route. So you can see this is the static, and these two networks are added. This is 7.0. This network is added via this this serial interface, and this is and this 11.0, this 11.0 network is connected via, you can see, this interface, and this is the IP of this interface. Okay, so this is the metric here. 150 is the AD and 0 is the metric, and 0 is the default metric for static IP. I mean to say static routing. Now we go to net 1. So we will type here same thing, IP route. So this router does not know about this network and this network. So command is quite simple: 192.168.11.0, and net mask is of 24-bit, and this request will go out from this interface, and the IP is 172.16.7.5 with the AD of 150. Now I will add another route, and that is 172.16.11.4, and the net mask is of 30, and it will, okay, here you can see I had done a mistake here, so we will also correct it out. 172.16.7.5 with the AD of 150. So let's get back to this and let us correct it. It's 172. Okay, so always don't forget to check the static routes just by typing do show IP route. So you can see these two static routes are now added here. This 11.0 is this one, and 11.4 is the network of this serial network. So we will now go to this net 2, and we will write IP route network, which is 192.168.7.0 with the net mask of 24-bit, and the exit interface is 172.16.11.5 with the ED of 150. You can leave this if you want to, and I will add another route, which is 172.16.7.4, and it is the net mask of 252, and it will go out from the interface 16.11.5 with the AD of 150. So don't forget to check do show IP route. So you can see this is the 24-bit subnet mask to this IP, and this is the another one of 30. Okay, so that is all. Static routing is all done on this network. Now we will check for the DHCP IPs. Go to configuration and fast Ethernet. Go to DHCP. So it will request. Okay, so you can see it got the IP of 7.2, and also on this setting tab you can see here it got the gateway and the DNSS server IP. Now we will check for the another network. So here it is, DHCP. So here you can see it's working out good, and So I will now show you the show commands for DHCP binding. So here you can go and check this out, and the command is do show IP binding. It's okay. It's not IP. It's do show IP DHCP. So here you can see these are the two IDs which to network with from where we had requested the IPs. So you can update this IP. Oh, it got the IP, so we will ask for another IP, and from here I will also ask for IP. It got the IP, so let's go to this. Okay, DHCP. So this PC also got the IP. Now we will update the database. So here you can see it's now updated. There are two more commands. It's show IP DHCP pool and the name of pool, which is net1. So it's showing that only one PC had asked for the IP. So it's showing two PC got the leased IP, and the range, this is the range, this is the excluded IP. So now I will also let you know about another command, which is show IP DHCP conflicts. Conflict. So it's good. There is no conflicts in our DHCP pool, so it's all good. Hope you like this video, and you can find this complete packet tracer file in the description link below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and take care.